About 1949 is when this house was the old parsonage, and it was moved to this place. And everything was pretty much the way it was from the 40s. It was really pretty darn bad. Asbestos siding all the way around the thing, aluminum/wood windows. It was very leaky. The air would just come through the walls. Mm-hmm. You could just feel it.
Feel it through the windows and the walls.
Yeah. The heater ran all the time.
It was always cold, came up from the basement. So
oh yeah, you couldn't.
Not like that.
We would have to turn the heater on 80 degrees in order to make it comfortable
in here.
There had been some damage. There was big chunks gone. Water was starting to leak down the wet wall inside the house. Corners and holes open all the way around the top up there. And if I went up in the attic and looked around, you could see the bird nests up in the attic from where they came in and made their nests in the attic. We actually had AquaShield come out and do an estimate on the roof and the siding. Their prices for just removal of the asbestos was like $8,000, and that's really way more than half of what the siding costs from Energy Guard. Just the siding.
The thing that impressed me a lot, since I've worked in huge companies before, the attrition rate that is so low in his company, with all of the groups of people that he has working with him, most of which his teams are like he's known for like 20 years. That to me is impressive, because that means that they're not only is cohesive within the structure of the company, but you can depend on them. You know that they're going to be there. They're going to be there.
And I was really impressed. They came on schedule. The job was done quickly, professionally. Each one of the crews were
neat. And everybody was really neat and clean, tidy, and clean up after themselves.
And we live in Northwest Kansas, and getting anybody out here to do anything is difficult.
With 100-degree weather, I've noticed about a 20% decrease in the cost for air conditioning. Well, I'll tell you what, it was so quiet in here that after I was concerned we would not hear the tornado siren. I had to wait to find out, and I stopped and I went, okay, you can still hear it, because it was so quiet in here. We were amazed.
We live right next to the elevator, so we have trucks that drive by our house day in and day out during harvest season. You could just take your finger and go like that every day and get dust.
And not anymore.
You can't get that anymore.
Don't have that anymore.
Yeah, everybody noticed. Yep.
Folks that come by and they go, oh, the elevation, everything about the whole house looks different. It's not this eyesore on the corner.
Well, man, we're going to live here for a while, so this is where we like it. It's really nice, really nice. I would highly recommend.
Yeah.